Usage instructions. Every box has 50 sets, 100 seat covers, plus 50 steering covers, plus 50 gear covers. Application instruction. For each vehicle, remove 2 seat covers, 1 steering cover, 1 gear cover from the box. Steer cover application. Gently pull both the ends of the steering cover to extend lightly. Do not overstretch to avoid accidentally tearing the cover. Separate the 2 sides of the cover and slide over the steering wheel, ensuring uniform fit. Use both hands while driving. In case the steering cover gets torn or if the elastic band has come out, please do not use the same. Use another steering cover from the box. Gear cover application. Separate the 2 sides and slide over the gear knob. Seat cover application. Gently unfold the seat cover. Slip the top pocket of the seat cover over the headrest of the driver's seat. Maruti logo to face the windscreen of the car. Cover the bottom of the seat with the bottom pocket of the seat cover. Gently press the base of the seat to remove any air and secure the seat. Also apply another seat cover for the front passenger seat in the same way. After usage, please put the used covers in the recycling bin and ship the same to Lucro as per the given instruction.